Bamboo in St. Anne is now tense following a gun attack that left a father dead and his 3-year-old daughter wounded on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Orlando Atkinson, otherwise called Junior, a contractor from Lilyfield district in Bamboo. According to the police, Atkinson and his daughter were in his vehicle about 8:15 p.m. on Saturday when armed men approached and opened gunfire at them. The cops were called to the scene, and on their arrival, Atkinson was seen with gunshot wounds to the upper body and his daughter also wounded. They were transported to hospital where Atkinson was pronounced dead and his child was treated and released. There is also concern about what life would be like for the injured infant. 3 murders were committed in the parish of St. James within 12 hours on Sunday. The bloodletting started at 1:30 p.m. with the killing of a man on Orange Street in downtown Montego Bay. The man, who remains unidentified, was shot by unknown assailants. By late afternoon, another man was shot and killed in Irwin, just outside the town centre, and about 5:30 p.m. gunmen struck at Beakerstead near Cambridge, killing another man. The 3 deaths followed the murders of 2 brothers in Greenpond on Friday night. St. James has been under a state of emergency since November 8. The Moody siblings, 20-year-old Kerrick Moody and 22-year-old Kenesha Moody, who reportedly went missing on Friday and are suspected to have been killed and buried in a shallow grave, were allegedly murdered over scamming money. The siblings' mother, Stephanie Edwards, told Observer Online in an interview on Sunday that her children were involved in scamming. The mother of 5 said she tried her best to steer them along the right path. In 2021, Kenesha Moody was charged for her involvement in the Kings Valley gang after she was found with rounds of ammunition in her purse. At the time, ACP Fitz Bailey announced that Moody was the alleged girlfriend of the Kings Valley gang leader, Derval Williams.